So here I have a Stanley Ratchet, and the problem is the reverse mechanism is stuck, so it doesn't ratchet the other way. So I'm going to be opening it up and having a look. It has these little screws right here. Alright, so it uses Thorax screws, and they have two screws just at the very top. So we'll try to get this undone here. Okay, I got out one. And then we'll get the other one here. Okay, I think it's not just gonna fall out. It has a little metal bracket here. Yeah, okay, give it a little tap, they come out. It has this metal plate that's kind of rusted in there. So, okay, if you just push it from the back side, that metal plate comes off. So it needs some cleaning in here. Has some corrosion on this little flip gear right here. So we'll spray it. I don't know if this can pop out. Pretty dirty. So if you flip it over and just push really hard on the back, the gear will pop out. Just like that. And then we can clear up that. Then there's a spring in there, so just be careful. The tricky part is getting this back in. So you have to push it on that spring, hold it, and then put this back in. Like so. So when you flip, it can go both ways now. And I can ratchet. I'm just gonna put maybe a little bit of lubricant in there so it doesn't rust again. Place in here. Hopefully it'll make a little bit of a sealant around the outside of this metal plate. I'll just put it around the outside here. Around the holes, because that's mainly where the moisture's getting in. Okay. Put in the screws. Just make sure they're snug. Okay. And you can see it's moving. It's moving good now.